Hey there and welcome to the art studio. So today I'm going to paint again with house paints. I'm going to do a comparison of using the house paints with my acrylic paints mixed in and then using the house paints with inks mixed in. Let's see how that goes. So I have mixed up a satin light base semigloss, just a generic brand that I bought at I think a Walmart, and polyacrylic clear gloss. These two mixed together are what my colors are mixed with. And just the light base with white is going to go down first. This is the side that I've mixed red paint with that mixture, blue with that mixture, and purple with that mixture. And on this side, I've mixed red, blue, and purple in inks. Now you see the color is much more vivid on these. And because the inks are water-based or ink-based, they are a little runny. So they did make my paint a little thinner on this side. So I added a touch of water over here. Now this is just craft paint. When I'm finished stacking my paint, I'm going to actually put a flow mix that is 1 part black paint, 3 parts Floetrol mix, and then I'm going to use a blow dryer to blow it out. So I'm just going to stack one big one in the middle and blow it out. All right, so we are ready to stack our paint. And like I said, it's a little runny. We'll see how that works. I'm not sure how that will work with this. So we're going to do red. Now I'm going to move these cups aside. They are paper and very lightweight. And we're going to blow it out. This one's starting to roll over already. I did check it to be sure that it was even. But it does seem like it's coming off this end. Boy, I have some... Let me get the bubbles out first, and then we'll get started with the blow dryer. Doesn't seem to be as many bubbles in the one that has inks. Maybe because I mixed the one that has acrylic paints last. All right, so let's see what this inks does. It looks like it's kind of mixing already, so let's get started. My cell activator kind of got buried on this one, so we're going to tilt it a little bit. I might actually blow that one just a little bit first. So let me get the new bubbles out. And tilt. Oh, this one's so runny. It's just going to mix as I tilt it. Do you see that? It's just mixing. But that's important to know. And it's not running very well too, I noticed that. So this is with inks. And this one is with the acrylic. Now it too doesn't really tilt well. These are the kind of paintings you might not want to do a lot of tilting because of the thickness of your house paint. But this is a good experiment. I really needed to know this before I kept using that kind of paint. Actually, I might leave that one just like it is. Alright, so two very different paintings made in different ways. They each have their own beauty. However, a lesson learned, I'm not sure that I like using the house paints as a base for these. It's kind of thick. It's okay if you like this just blob look, but I'm not sure I like that. And then the inks just totally mixed in. Let me pull you in closer so you can see. All right, so this is the side that is created with the ink. And this is the side that is created with the house paint and acrylics. Both beautiful, but both very different. Thank you for watching my experiment today.